this video, I'm gonna talk about the key features of MED. So, if you are trying to memorize the mnemonic that I talked about in the last video, so the mnemonic is actually and, voila, omni, and metric, M in omni is for metric or med, and we use med to influence the inbound traffic or routes coming into our AS. So I've got a table here that I got from a book that I'm reading called ccnp Routing and Switching Route 300-101 Official Cert Guide by Kevin Wallace. So feature description. So first, is MED a PA? Yes, it is a PA. So meaning that PA stands for path attribute. Sorry about that noise. So meaning that it can be used by other vendors like Juniper or Arista, those kind of vendors. And number two is, second is purpose. It allows an AES to tell a neighboring AES the best way to forward packets into the same AES, into the first AES. So basically, it's just tell the neighboring AES the best way to forward packets coming into its AES. So basically, it can influence the inbound routes coming into our AES. And the next is scope, advertised by one AES into another. So advertised by one AES into another, propagated into the AES, but not sent to any other autonomous systems. So that is the scope. So advertised by one AES into another, that would be our AES, and then we can, it can be propagated inside our AES, but we cannot advertise it into another AES. And range is 0 through, I think this is 4 billion. I'm not going to read this, but you can just look at it. Which is better? Smaller is better. And the default is 0. Defining a new default, not applicable. So let's talk about configuration. So we apply, just like local pref, we create an access list to define our traffic, and then we create a route map, and then name that route map, and just set the metric using set metric command under that route map, and then apply the route map outbound or in the outbound direction. So because we are trying to influence the inbound traffic or routes. Yeah, that's it for key features of MED. the next video, I'm gonna talk about origin because I remember, being in an interview and I was not able to answer some questions about origin. So I'm gonna talk about that in the next video. So yeah, that's it for now in the for key features of MED. Thanks for watching. Bye.